everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, we're going to be doing another unboxing video. And on today's video, we're going to be unboxing the original Ipsy Glam Bag. And I'm not real wild about this bag. I'm not real wild about it. It's a deep, deep green. I'm not sure why they decided to go with a deep green in August. This is more like a fall shade to me. And August, it's still summer, right? To me, it's still summer. Anyway, let's go ahead and get inside. Now the lining is pink, so that's pretty cool. It has a card inside that has all of the products listed on here, and the theme is Bury Yourself, which was also the theme of the Glam Bag Plus that I got and unboxed for you all last week. Let's go ahead and pull this item out because it's one of those things that I do enjoy. This is the This is the SL Miss Glam 61 Angled Shadow Brush. It's pretty. I think it's pretty. It's got a bunch of glitter in the handle, which is pretty. And then this is these always have little, I don't know the camera's focusing enough to show you that. It's got little rhinestones in it. So this is the SL Miss Glam E61, Angled Shadow Brush. Created by YouTuber and beauty guru Stephanie Lewis, SL Miss Glam is known for unique, eye-catching makeup brushes. They had us at the beautiful emerald green and glitter handle, but this synthetic bristled brush hugs the contours of our lids and blends pigments like a dream. Tip: use this angled shadow brush to apply eyeshadow all over your lids. Want to go smoky? You've got the perfect tool for blending dark shadows onto the outer corners of your eyes. So there you go, a brush. I always enjoy getting brushes. I know some of you guys have said, and I think I just got a comment on one of my unboxings from last week. I think it was Tay put this down there, Tay the Queen. She said that, you know, we get a lot of brushes in our bags. We do, and boxes. We do. I actually do like getting brushes though. Even if I don't keep this for myself, like I am going to leave it sealed in the plastic bag. This one I might give away. I don't know. But I do like SL Miss Glam brushes. So let's go ahead and pull this out next. This is the Buxom Big Tease Mascara. I've gotten a sample of this before, and I do like this mascara. I actually might have one of these open right now. But I do like it. So this is the Buxom Cosmetics Big Tease Plumping Mascara. Self-confidence is key at Buxom Cosmetics. They believe in going big, being bold, and feeling sexy. Love a dramatic lash look? This is the mascara for you. The wax-infused formula and cone-shaped brush work together to give your lashes major volume and fullness. Tip: apply this mascara onto your lashes from root to tip, wiggling the brush as you go. Add another coat to layer on the drama. All right, back into the bag. Let's pull this out. What is this? All right, so this is from Adesi, New York. It's an all-day lip cream, and does it have a shade on it? It does have a batch code. Is the shade Beverly Boulevard? It is. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the lipstick out. See what color Beverly Boulevard is. Ooh, okay, so it's a nice, pretty mauve shade. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you as well. Ooh, it feels nice on my hand. There it is right there. You guys see it? I probably put it too far up my hand, but it's okay. It's pretty. It's a little bit more purple than the shade I have on right now. So this is the Adesi All Day Lip Cream in Beverly Boulevard. This creamy moisturizing lippy glides on to coat your lips in full coverage, high impact color that lasts all day long. The deep rose shade works on all skin tones and looks fab at work, on the town, or wherever your day might take you. Tip: swipe onto your lips straight from the bullet, blot, then repeat for more dramatic color. It's a pretty shade. And that, I believe, is a full size. That's pretty cool. All right, back into the bag. What do we got here? What do we got here? Let's pull this out right here. And my golly, that is tiny. 0.17 US fluid ounces. I can't see where it stops at, but my golly, this is tiny. Okay, this is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel Lotion. Hydra Plumping, Skin Transforming, Weightless Moisturizer. It's just so teeny tiny. This is what I used to get from Birchbox. Okay, I don't know that it's focusing on that. I'm sorry if it is not. So this is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel Lotion Moisturizer. Made by plastic surgeons and dermatologists, I'm assuming, this brand's clinically tested products are highly effective and healthy for your skin. This oil-free lotion is made with ceramides and cactus flower extract to smooth skin, prime before makeup, and hydrate for up to 72 hours. Tip: AM or PM, apply pea-sized drops of lotion to your forehead, cheeks, chin, neck, anywhere you need some hydration. Then massage gently upward until it's all absorbed. Okay, I don't mind getting a little sample. I can take it with me when I travel. Ooh, came right out. It is definitely just a clear gel, which is what I actually prefer. I don't prefer it like an oil-based, and it has no scent, which is wonderful. Okay, last item in here, which is actually a really large, that's really large. Okay, it's a whole ounce, which is fantastic. This is the BioRace Pore Purifying Spirulina and Tea Tree Clay Mask. Let's see if it's sealed. It has a safety seal. All right. So the packaging is just a gray package, I'm assuming, because it is a clay mask. They wanted to just give us a gray packaging, which is fine. So this is the BioRace Pore Purifying Spirulina and Tea Tree Clay Mask. This clay mask is infused with nutrient-rich spirulina to help maintain clear skin and clarifying tea tree for a cooling sensation that's refreshing on a hot, humid day. Feeling dull? Pearl extract helps brighten things right up. All right, let's go back over all the products I got. Probably the thing that I'm most upset about, and I'm not even upset, be honest with you, and I'll say why in here in a second, is the moisturizer from IT Cosmetics. I got a mini of the Big T's mascara from Buxom, but I got 3 full-size products, right? The brush is full-size, and I'm pretty sure an ounce of a mask is a pretty decent size, right? A lot of masks come as 1 ounce, so that's pretty decent. And then a full-size lipstick. I'm actually not very upset at all. Like, I'm not upset at all. Not very upset. I'm not upset at all, right? 3 what I believe to be full-size products. I'm not 100% sure that the mask is a full size, but it's a decent size. And then the trial size mascara, the sample size mascara is just fine. And then the moisturizer is the only thing that's a little bit disappointing, but I am not upset at all. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to know what your thoughts are on this bag. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, hit the red subscribe button. It helps me out more than you know. And leave any comments that you have in the comment section down below as well. What do you think of this bag? Like, this is a $10 a month bag, and I got a full-size lipstick. Now, I mean, I'm pleased with it. I'm pleased with it. So, anyway, I do thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And one last thing before I sign off, I did start my own online clothing boutique. It is Nimini's Boutique. The link is in the description bar down below if you're interested in checking it out. I would greatly appreciate it. And I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye, guys.